Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So let's just do this unboxing really quick. Let's move the keyboard out the way. Okay guys, this one right here, I'm a little bit skeptical if I really want to use this one or not, but let's pull it out. I'm not going to use the knife on this one. I just want to rip it. I'm really skeptical with this. I don't really trust this, but hey, it's small though. So there we go. We got that. So here we go right here. If y'all don't know what this is adapter for the 24 pin. Let me show you right now. Like, I'm real skeptic with this, to be honest. There we go. So there we are right there. Is there any plastic that needs to be taken off? I think this is the way how it's supposed to be. I don't know. I'm trying to think, is there something that I need to take off? I don't want to rip it off, then I damage the damn thing. I think it's supposed to just be like this. I'm not completely sure, but yeah. This is the adapter. Basically, you plug this into your 24 pin SO. You plug this in right there. Then you plug your other 24 pin right there. I have streamer cables, so basically this lights up in ARGBs. Then I have the streamer cables that's going to come out to the side, which is going to be a little bit more clean. Instead of it being bent like that, then I have the streamer cables come out like this and bent around. If I got it like this, I could just have the streamer cables come out and just go straight to the back. And don't have to have all that extra bend towards it. The way how my cables is right now, it looks clean. The way how I got the cords, but it's just going to show. I don't know. I'm just going to test it out and see how I like it. But you put the pins in right there. So yeah, that's this right here. It comes with the adapter piece that you got right there to connect it. And yeah, I'm gonna test everything out now, and I'll tell you guys how I like it. I'll put a video at the end showing all the stuff all together, right? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Okay guys, so here's everything right here. Here's the MSI adapter for the 24 pin. Here's the plate for the GPU. As you can see right there. It's going to change other colors in a second. As you can see right there. Then there's the tough bracket right there. As you can see right there. The only reason why you see it like that is just pink. You'll see it flashing. It's basically the way how I got the colors set up on here. So just wanted you guys to see that. So yeah. And that's basically what it looks like.